In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Todoist subscription. With so many apps and tools demanding our attention and subscriptions, there comes a time when we need to simplify our digital lives. Maybe Todoist isn't serving your productivity needs anymore, or perhaps you found a different app that suits you better. Whatever the reason, the process to wind down your engagement with Todoist is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Todoist's website. You'll spot a login button right at the top. Click on it to proceed. Todoist is all about making things simple, and logging in is no exception. When prompted, enter your email address, the one you used to create your Todoist account. After that, type in your password. These login credentials are your keys to the vast and organized world of Todoist, but today they'll serve as your way to a polite and intentional exit. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Todoist Today page, a hub for all your tasks and projects. Although this is a place usually filled with productivity and tasks awaiting completion, today is the starting point for adjusting your subscription settings. Look towards the top left corner of the page. There you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. This action unveils a drop-down menu filled with options to further personalize and adjust your Todoist experience. Within this menu, locate and select Settings. This is where Todoist conceals all the knobs and dials to tweak its features to your liking, including subscription settings. Now, amidst various settings options, there's one that reads Subscription. Click on this option to proceed. You're now a step closer to cancelling your Todoist subscription. But Todoist, in its last bid to keep you on board, might guide you towards an upgrade to Pro option. While upgrading might offer you more features and flexibility, remember that our goal today is to cancel the subscription. Therefore, bypass any temptations to upgrade and look for a way to cancel or downgrade your existing plan. It's important to note, as you navigate through this process, that every subscription service has different policies regarding cancellations and refunds. Therefore, take a moment to review Todoist policies. These can typically be found near the cancellation options or in the FAQ section of their website. Understanding these policies can ensure there are no surprises regarding the end of your service or unexpected charges. Cancellation processes often end with confirming your decision. Todoist may ask you to state why you're leaving, offering options such as cost, switching to another service, or not using the service enough. Providing this feedback is optional, but can be helpful to the Todoist team as they seek to improve their service. Once you've confirmed your decision, Todoist will typically send an email to you, acknowledging the cancellation of your subscription. Keep this email for your records, as it's proof of your action should there be any discrepancies or issues later on. And just like that, you've successfully navigated your way through the cancellation process. It's always a good idea to double check that the subscription has been cancelled. You can do this by revisiting the subscription settings in your Todoist account, or checking your bank statements in the following days to ensure there are no additional charges. Cancelling a subscription isn't just about cutting costs or decluttering your digital life, it's a step towards prioritising what truly adds value to your day. Whether Todoist has been a brief chapter in your productivity journey or a long-term companion, knowing how to part ways respectfully and intentionally is key. Remember, the digital world is vast, and finding the tools that best match your workflow is what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of cancelling your Todoist subscription as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Until next time, stay productive and keep refining your digital toolkit to best suit your needs.